Hello, Brandon here, coming at you guys with another video. Sorry about the delay. I should have had this video up a while ago, but kind of got caught up with some other stuff. I'm basically just gonna show you a little bit of progress I made with the relocation. I finished it in the last video, and I showed you guys exactly what I did. I've been just trying to clean it up before I moved on to the next step. So my plans for the trunk right now, I'm getting a smaller battery. I was sizing it the other day. It's gonna fit right here in the corner, and then I'm gonna have the hole down here. I might move this ground to the side, but the ground's actually doing okay after I put another bolt on the bottom underneath. So I think I'm gonna leave that ground there. But a lot of what I've been doing is in the engine bay. I cleaned up a lot of that stuff. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Alright, so this is a big difference from last time I showed you guys. The day I did it, I still had those 3 hop-ons with the battery terminal. Cleaned up all of that. So I ended up cutting all 3 wires. This is the I cannot think right now. This is the alternator wire. It's going through the fuse here, and then from here to the power. As you see, I wrapped up the lines and everything, so everything's kind of neat now. I also do have the fuse in the box. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see because it's sunny out here and there's a glare. This is my starter wire, so that goes straight to the power. And then I pulled the wire that goes from here, which is the blue wire. I pulled it back a little bit, took it all the way to the trunk, and I had the rings welded on. I was having some problems with it because one of the hub rings slipped out because it's just a crimp, and the crimp's not that strong. So I had it soldered. I had the ring soldered on. So these are soldered, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have the fuse box wire tucked, and it comes around and hops on right here. So it's definitely a lot cleaner now. I also have my horn in here. I'm still trying to find a place for the horn to go. If you guys have any ideas of where I could put the horn, that's really like the only thing I'm trying to clean up right now, but everything in here is pretty much cleaned up. So this is gonna be how I'm gonna run it permanently until I get the turbo right here. But on a different note, I'm working on getting my timing belt put in soon. I was gonna do it myself, but I work at a shop. I'm just gonna let the master tech do it because I've never done it before, to be honest with you. And this is the only car I have, so I'm not trying to mess it up. And then I gotta go buy a new engine because my shit's gonna be fucked up after that. So I'm just gonna let him do it. I already paid for it and everything, so I'm just trying to find a day where he's not too busy so he can put it in. I got the full Gates timing belt kit. I'll put a link for it if you guys want to see it. But yeah, that's the next thing I'm getting done. And I also am getting my clutch done very, very soon. So not this week, but next week. Next week I'm gonna be ordering my clutch. I'm getting a stage 3. Why is this not fitting correctly? Yeah, next week I'm gonna be ordering my clutch. I'm getting a stage 3 with a single mass flywheel, and I'm gonna be putting that in with my friend. So that's gonna be the next step. After that, going straight to piping. I already ordered headers, so that's already on the way in the mail. Lots of stuff coming. Bro, why is this shit being so difficult right now? Like, this shit is being mad difficult. But yeah, if you guys wanted to do this yourself, just cut the 3 wires that are on the terminal. Like I said, one is your alternator, one is your starter. Make sure the alternator one is going through the fuse. The fuse is 140A, so you just put the fuse, and then that wire comes around to the power. If you guys did want to do that yourself, nothing crazy. I also did have the fuse box like mounted here, so it's covered and everything. I can take the cap off. But I really like how everything came out clean, and that's really what I was trying to do. I know it seems like I've been on this for a little while, but I was just trying to clean it up. I didn't want all the wires everywhere. Yeah, that's that little update for that. Like I said before, about to do my clutch, my tranny fluid as well. I'm gonna be running Royal Purple, and I'm about to get a new battery here, and I'm gonna make the battery plate. You'll definitely see that in the next video. Like I said, after that, clutch is coming, header's coming. When the headers come, I'm going to get the O2 sensor bung welded in, and then it's pretty much going to get fabbed after that for the turbo manifold. But yeah, stay updated with the build. Let me know if you guys want me to make an Instagram page so I can post all the parts and everything. I still do have my fuel lines and everything for changing the fuel system to return. I just haven't gotten to it yet, so I'm trying to go step by step, trying to get everything done. If you guys have any questions, comment below. And yeah, just let Brandon out. Like I said before, if you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram.